Okay, I guess we can start now. Okay. So, hello everyone. Good morning once again.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
So, I think in the last session, like yesterday's session, Venkatesh has explained the theoretical part and has taken the activity questions also. So, today I will quickly summarize the logarithmic part and then we can go for the practice assignment question, right?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, so is my screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so what is logarithmic function first? Basically, it is the inverse of exponential function, right? So if I say log of a, so log of n to the base a, right? So its inverse is basically what is equals to x, right?
Yes.
So inverse will be n equal to a to the power x, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, but we apply some restriction to this. What are those restrictions? N should be strictly greater than 0,
Yes,
a
sir.
should not be equals to 1, and
Wow.
a should be greater than 0 also, right? So
Yes,
these
sir.
are the condition, we can say the restriction that we apply to the logarithmic function. But why we are applying this condition? What if n is less than 0? So suppose n is negative number, like log of a, say base b, any 2, say 2, minus 1. So why we cannot take the negative sign, like negative number inside the log? Just anyone? Why we cannot allow this negative number inside the logarithmic function? Just look at this. Say it is equals to x. So I can write it as 2 to the power x equals to minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Is there any number x that I will get a minus 1 number here, negative number for any power?
Ye-
No, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this condition we cannot apply, right? 8 n should be strictly greater than 0, right? Same for 8 is not equals to 1. So what if logarithmic, say any number, say 2, and having base 1 equal to x? So in this case, what will happen?
It will always.
Right? So is there any number that of x such that we will get the 2? No, because the power 1 to the power any number will be 1, right?
One.
Yeah. So we cannot allow a equals to 1 also. Now, what if a is less than 0, that is negative number, say log of 2, say minus 2 equals to x.
Minus power.
2 equals to minus the power of x, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here it is not possible, but you can say, okay, what if I take the number 4 here, right? So you can say x equals to 2, then I will get the 4, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
But how we check for each and every number, right?
Yes,
For
sir.
some number it will satisfy, for some number it will not satisfy. So we allow this condition, like we restrict the logarithmic function to a is not equals to 1 and a should be greater than 0. Okay, so these three conditions you should remember. And the most important thing is that log cannot take the negative value. Its domain is from 0 to infinity, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is the most important thing in the whole logarithmic function part. Okay. I think it is clear, right? Now let us discuss few properties. So if you know these properties, you can simplify any logarithmic function, right? Okay, say okay, let us take the example here only. Say log of x to the base a, say it is number have m. So I can write it as a to the power m equal to x, right? But what is m here? This thing, right?
Yes, sir.
So a log to the power a x equals to x, right? So this is my first property. Now, this is my first property. Now, what is second property? Log a, log of 1 to the base a is always equals to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Third one is log of a to the base a
is equal to
is
1.
1. Right. My
Yes.
fourth property is log of a m n. Log of mn to the base a will be
Log
log
of
of
a
m
m
to the
plus
base a plus log of n to the base a. Right. Same for the
M by N.
yeah, m by n also, right? So
yes
this is
sir.
log of a m minus log of a n, right?
Yes sir.
So the most important property is
Power property.
yeah. So log of a to the say it is m to the power n. So I can write it as n
N
Log
log A
log of
A M.
m, right? So now the next property is
Base change property.
yes, base change properties. So if I don't want this base A, I want to change it to any base say C. So what I can do, log of
Log
m
of
to the
C.
base C upon
Log
Log
of
log of
A
m
base
base
C.
c.
log of A to the base C, right?
Yes
Yes.
sir.
But yeah, so but while simplifying the equation, you must take some natural log, right? ln that is base to the base E. For calculation, it will be easier if there is a number, right?
Yes.
Yes sir.
That is A here. Yeah. Okay. Any other properties remaining? Yeah.
Yes
One
sir.
more thing.
Base power.
Yeah. Log to the log of m to the base a is equals to 1 upon log of a to the base m, right?
Yes sir.
Yeah. So one more thing, like yeah. What is remaining? Yeah.
Log
So
of R square M, then it will be 1 by 2.
yeah. So r a m it will be 1 by a log to the base log of a to the
A
base r,
R.
right?
Yes
No,
sir.
m. Sorry. It should be m.
Yes sir. Yes.
It should be m, right? I think these are 9 important properties. There's one more important property. You can note it down, like a log of c to the base b is equals to
B log.
c log of b to the base a. Like log b is same here, but I can interchange the position of a and c here. Okay, so these 10 properties are there. Yeah, so I hope you understand this basic
Can you please
definition.
say the 8 ones, sir? 8 number property?
Which one? 8 one.
8.
Yes.
Interchange of base and
No, log of m to the base a, I can write it as 1 upon log of a to the base m.
I didn't
I
know
can
that.
interchange the base and the number, this one, right?
Oh, I didn't know that one.
Yeah. So all this property you have to remember because it will be easier to simplify the equation, right?
Yes sir.
Yeah. So just take one example, simple example. Say log of a to the base 6 into log of a to the base x. Say equals to 2. Find out the x. Yes, anyone? How to find the value of x here?
Change the base of the first a log a6.
How
36.
1 upon
Yeah,
yeah,
36.
so let ln of a by ln by 6, right? Into ln of x upon ln of a, right?
Yes sir.
So ln of a will get cancelled equal to 2. So ln of x upon ln of 6
6.
equals to 2. So I can write it as ln of 6, ln of x to the base 6, right? Equals
Yes
to
sir.
2. And x equals to 6 square, that is 36. Okay. So you can use these properties to simplify the equation. Yeah. Any doubt in this part?
No sir.
Yeah. So yesterday Venkatesh has explained the activity question. So today we can go for a practice question. Like how many of you have attempted practice question?
Yes, sir. Tried.
Some doubt also.
Few doubts.
In practice question, right?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. We will take question one by one. You can ask your doubt then only, right?
Okay sir.
Yeah. Just 1 minute. Okay, I will take this question on period A. Where is the screen? Yeah, you can see my screen. Yes. What you have to do, you have to go to this joinpt.com and enter this code. Okay. I will also share the link. See, what I want is some different approach other than the solution part, right? Like we already have the solution document, but I want some different approach to solve those questions. Please join the link I have shared in the chat box.
Yes, sir, join.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we'll wait for a few more students to join. Okay, 13 students are there. You can start the class. Yeah, this is your first question, right? You can answer in the text box mentioned on the right hand side of your screen. You can see the text box, right? You can simply answer A, B, C, D or anything, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
I will wait for 2-3 minutes, then we'll discuss this. I can see only one response here. Like you can apply the property here, like
They're not able to solve it. So that's why trying.
okay. Just remember those 10 properties that we have discussed just now. You can apply those properties here.
Yes.
It's a practice question, sir.
Practice question. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
And please don't look at the solution. Okay, I want some different approach. Okay, I will wait for 1 more minute, then we'll discuss this. By looking at this equation, you will get a feeling that I have to simplify this side, right? 9 log.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. You should
So
apply
b
some.
b to the power 5x. This part is very confusing.
Hmm. Okay, I have get only 4 responses. Let's say the response. AC, DAC, A and C. Okay. Okay, let's discuss this. Are able to see this question, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so those are answered. Can you tell me your approach?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, first we use the base change property, sir. So 4 upon log x base b
Okay.
plus 9 upon log b power x power 5x base not sir base b.
Base B. Okay.
Yes, sir. And sir b power 5x equal
Okay.
to 1.
Okay.
Then we
So,
applied the property of next.
yeah. So here, okay, then we apply the property of S. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Same, sir. Log x
Okay.
b
Log XB plus
plus 9 upon यहाँ पे मल्टीपल वाली लगाई सर log base
okay,
b और 5
plus
plus.
log the base.
Yes, sir. Then simplify simple.
Yeah.
Take the log
One.
bx equal to t. Then we simplify, sir.
Yeah, but this you are able to think because you have seen the solution, right?
Yes, sir.
So what if you have not seen the solution? How did you approach this?
Then, sir,
This is correct, right? We just need to put P here and we can simplify for the P, right?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Next.
Okay. Any alternate way?
Sir, I did 4 and I took a common base. So 4 ln b by ln x
Okay. ln b by ln x
plus 9
9
ln b by ln b to power 5x.
and b to the power 5x, right?
And then I opened b to the power 5x as 5 ln b plus ln x.
Yes. ln of b upon ln of x plus 9 ln of b, then ln b to the power 5 plus ln of x,
Okay.
right?
Yes,
I
sir.
will come this side.
Yes, sir.
Just 1 minute. Yeah. So then it will be equals to 4 ln of b ln of x plus 9 ln of b. 5 will come this side, right? 5 ln of b plus ln of x. Now tell me what we have to do. How to
Then I
simplify this?
cross multiplied it 4 like 20 ln 5 ln b.
Yeah, if you cross multiply, it will become more complex. Try to solve that problem.
Or we can again substitute ln of x with some variable.
Yeah, that will also do. Or what I can do, okay, I will write it here. 4 ln of b ln of x plus 9 ln of b, 5 ln of b plus ln of x. Right. Now what I can do, I can divide this by ln of x also, right? ln of b also in this equation. I can take it common from here and here, right? So I will reach this equation only if I take the ln of b common from this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this thing also you can do, like if you take ln common here and from this side, what you will get 4 ln of b upon 4 ln of x plus if you take ln b common here and it will get cancelled. So 9 upon 5 plus ln of x upon ln of b, right?
Yes, sir.
I can simply write the base change property here. It is not 4. And I will reach the same equation right here, this one. Or either you can do cross multiplication, but it will, I think it will become more complex. So try to simplify by using the properties. Okay. So this thing, you know, you have seen the solution, that's why you have reached here. But
Yes, sir.
if you apply this thing also, you can reach this equation only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now I will simplify this part.
So I did up to this, but not able to simplify after that.
Okay.
I do it by ln.
So okay, you got this expression, right?
Yes, sir.
Just
But not
put
able to
log
do
of,
anything with that.
yeah, just put log of x to the base b equals to p. So 4 upon p plus 9 upon 5 plus p equals to 1. Now just cross multiplication. That is 20 plus 4p plus 9p upon 5p plus p square equals to 1. Now 20 plus 13p equals to 5p plus 5p square. Right, now it will come on this side. What I will get, p square 5p minus 13p will be minus 8p and minus 20 equals to 0, right? Now you have to find out the root of this equation. What is the root of this equation?
5 and
10
5
minus
and 5,
2
sir.
minus 10 plus 2 plus
Yeah.
p square
10,
plus 10
yeah.
minus 10p plus 2p.
So p equals to 10 or minus 2, right?
Minus 2, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, now just resubstitute that part. So log of x to the base b equals to 10 or log of b, log of x to the base b equals to minus 2, right? So
Yes,
from
sir.
here you will get x equals to b to the power
P
10.
power 10.
Here you will
10.
get b to the
Yes.
power minus 2.
Yes, sir.
A and C are the correct option here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Any doubt in this problem?
No, I just stuck on that situation. This is the
Mhm.
we have to take P, then we will able to solve.
You can substitute P also. You can directly do the cross multiplication.
Directly I was trying, but it makes getting so complicated. That's
Yeah,
why
yeah.
not able to
We
get
get
it.
confused here, like, yeah. So better
Yeah.
to put P only.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So now we'll go to the next question. Like, you can just go to the peer deck only. You can see the next question there. I will present the screen. Yeah, you can see the second question here, right? It's a simple one. I think you already saw a similar question in the activity, so you should be able to do this. Based on the compound interest formula, okay, 5 responses are there. I'll wait for 1 more minute. Okay, let's see the responses. B, C, D, A, B, C. Okay. Most of you have answered B, C, D. Okay, let us discuss this. Okay, so what is the formula for compound interest here? Like,
Um, uh, this is 16p is equal to p 1 plus
what? Yeah, so total amount will be equals to
a
principal
equal to p into 1 plus
1 plus
interest by 100
R by
to the
100.
power t. And
Yeah,
there is no
into
n
T
here.
and N into T, right?
Yes,
N equal to 1 here.
Yeah, compounded quarterly at the rate of 20 per year. Now we have to
Okay.
calculate N only, na? How long it will take to increase this money. So we have to calculate N only here, right? So P is principal, R is rate of interest in percentage, okay? Because we are dividing it by 100, and N is the like time, like you can say number of years, set time, and T is the number of times it is compounded in the year, right? So compounded quarterly means 4 times,
Oh, I
right?
missed that quarterly thing. I thought yearly. Missed that one.
So here T equals to 4. Now if you apply this thing, like what is the amount here? How long it will take to increase his money to 16 times the principal amount, right? So
Yes.
A equals to 16P here, 16 times of principal amount in year, right? Here you can see in year. So N equals to 1. So now if we put this, no, sorry, not N equals to 1. You have to calculate N only. So now if I put in this equation that 16P equals to P 1 plus what is R 20, what is T 4 into 100, and what is N here? Okay, N into 4, right? Now how to simplify this? I can cancel PP, right? So I will get 16 equals to bracket 1 plus 20 by 400 into N s to the power N into 4. Okay. Now how to simplify this, right? Anyone?
Taking log on both.
Yeah, taking log on both the side. So ln of 16. If I take log here, so it will come down, right? 4 ln 4n 1 plus. I can simplify this also. 0 0 will get cancelled. 2 by 40 means
Sir,
105.
sir, we can why we not take log, sir, both sides?
we have taken the log only on both sides, right? We have cancelled out PP and then we have taken the log on both the sides. So log of 16 into log of this. But by the property of base, like the power, we can we can move this down, right? That is 4n log of 1 plus in this bracket.
Yes.
So
Yes.
yeah. So what is here, like log of 1 plus 20 upon 400 into 4n, right? So by this property, we can bring it 4n down and ln into bracket 1 plus 1 by 20, right?
21 by 20.
So it will be 21 by 20. So ln of 16, 4n, ln of 21 by 20. So we have to find out n here. So what will be my n? ln of 16
Upon
ln of 21 by 20 into 1 by 4, right?
yes, sir.
Into 1 by 4. So yeah, so B is the option here, right? Correct one.
Yes, sir.
Now I can simplify to this also. How I can simplify to this? I can write this 16 as
2 power 4.
2 to the power 4. Yes, 2 to the power 4, right? So if I write ln 2 to the power 4, ln 21 by 20, and here it is 1 by 4. So 4 will come down by the log property, right?
Yes, sir.
And this 4 and this 4 will get cancelled.
Yes, sir.
Then I will get log of ln of 2 upon ln of 21 by 20. So
Yes,
this is
sir.
also correct one. Now if I get this, now I can simply apply the reverse space change property, right?
Yes, sir.
So I will get this also.
Yes, sir.
Can I get E option here?
No, sir.
No. If I put 1 by 4 here also, no, right?
It get cancel out,
It's
sir.
not, it will cancel. It will be 2 only. So B, C, D is my correct option.
Yes.
Any doubt here? Okay. It is more of the simplification problem. Applying the different properties. Now, this is the third question. Okay, so yeah, those who will give me the correct answer for this, then I will understand that those who have solved the practice assignment question by their own, not just looking at the solution. Okay, yeah, I will wait for 2-3 minutes. A simpler one, just try it out. Yeah, so in such problem, try to make the basis same of all the log function. Okay, it will be easier to simplify. Or if it is not possible to make the base same, then you can simply apply the log base changing property. You can convert it to the our natural log, right, Alan? Okay. Okay, most of you answered A here. I will just wait for 1 more minute, then we'll discuss. Okay, so there are 12 responses and 0 and okay, most of you answered option A. Okay, so let's discuss. Okay, tell me then, anyone? Yes, how to approach this?
Sir, root 2, we can write it as 2 की power 1 by 2.
X plus 4 put to the power 1 by 2. Okay.
Then we can apply the 1 by power rule here and 2.
Base change.
So log of A to the power B of C. We can
Equal to
1
1
by
by
B
2 log AC. Log.
of C to the base A, right? This thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what will be the simplification of this? Tell me.
2 log
2 log
x plus 4 base 2.
yeah x plus 4 to the base 2, right? Now here also like minus log 2
X plus
yeah equals to 1.
1. Yes, sir.
Now
we can simplify this x by 2 plus 2. Second term.
this one.
Yes,
Take the
sir.
power. No?
How we can simplify?
Yeah, x plus 4 by 2, we can write it as x plus 4 by 2 log.
Okay. So 2 log to the base 2 x plus 4 minus log of to the base 2 x plus 4 by 2.
Then
Yeah.
we apply m by n rule, log m by n rule here.
Okay, so if you apply the log base property, then
Then
the
x plus 4 whole square, we have to make this first, then we will apply a minus m by n rule.
Yes, sir.
so you cannot apply the base change
Yes,
property
sir.
here.
Yes, sir. Directly.
Hmm.
It's the volume.
So what I will do, I will take this 2 here, right, in the power.
Yes,
What I will get log of 2 x plus 4
whole
square
square
minus log of 2
x plus y by
4 by 2, right, equals to 1. Now I can simply apply that log of m by n equals to log of m and m minus log of m, right? So if I do that, so what will be the log of 2 x plus 4 square upon x plus 4 by 2,
4.
right?
Yes, it's equal to 1.
So these 2 power and this will get cancelled. These 2 will go up. So log of
2 into x plus
2 x plus 4
is
equals
equal
to 1. Now
Log m into n property, log m plus log n. Log 2 base 2.
okay, so you say 2 multiply here. So log of 2 to the base 2 plus log of 2 to x plus 4 equals to 1, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then 1 plus
1 plus
log
log of 2 x plus 4 equals to n. So this will get
one.
cancelled.
Then x plus
So
4 equal to 1.
how equal to 1?
Because log of 1 becomes 0. Then we can equate x plus 4 equal to 1.
x plus 4 2 to the power 0, that is 1.
Yes, sir.
So x equals to minus 3, right?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes.
Okay. Right, x equals to minus 3. Any other approach?
So I did that log 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 1. Then I make one log base 2 of 2. Then I equal to the power x plus 4 is equal to 2.
The power x plus 4 equals to 2.
There's a space here, na? Log base 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 1. Then 1, I can write log 2 base 2.
Okay.
Then I can say 2 to the power x plus 4 equal to 2. Right,
Sir,
sir? Is it possible?
sir,
No, it will get cancelled now. If you write log of to the base 2, this will get cancelled, right?
Yes.
I mean, cancel means it will be 0.
sir, we can write here 2 to the power 1 is equal to 2 into x plus 4.
Sorry, 2 to the power
2 to the just log of 2 into x plus 4 to the base 2 equal to 1. From here, we can write 2 to the power 1 equal to 2 into x plus 4. Simply.
Yeah, we can write down that. Yeah, 2 to the power 1. Yeah. So 2 will get cancelled. X plus 4 equals to 1, right?
Sir.
That is also we can do.
So what I did was, before taking the power inside, you can make minus log base 2 x plus 4 by 2 as minus log base 2 x plus 4 plus log 2 with base 2.
Plus log 2 to base.
In the third steps.
Here.
No, the first one.
Here.
Yeah.
What you have done?
I wrote this as 2 log 2 x plus 4 minus log 2 x plus 4 plus log 2 with base 2. I opened this bracket.
No. Okay, you open this bracket, so you can write log x plus 4 minus log 2 to the base 2. Then you open, it will become plus.
It will become log, it is 2 log 2 x plus 4 minus log 2 x plus 4. So it will become log 2 x plus 4. And then we have minus plus log 2 with base 2, which is 1.
Yeah.
So we will directly get that equation.
Yeah, we can get that also. Yeah. Anyone apply by base changing property here only, converting into natural log?
No.
Okay, let's try. So I can write this as ln of x plus 4 upon ln of root 2, right? Minus ln of half of x plus 2 upon ln of 2, right? Equals to 1. Now root 2 is to the power 1 by 2.
With base change, but actually I stuck in the simplification.
Yeah, so root 2 is 1 by 2, right? 1 by 2 will come this side. So 1 by 2 will come down, right? So what I will get? Ln x plus 4 1 by 2 ln of 2 minus ln 1 by 2 x plus 2 ln of 2 equals to 1. Now 2 will go up, right? I will just erasing this. There's a different method, different approach. So 2 will go up, right? Here. So 2 ln of x plus 4 minus ln of half of x plus 2. Can I write like this? Equals to 1. Because the denominator is same, right? I can subtract this, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So same condition I have to get, right? So if I this thing, so ln of x plus 4 cos square, then same thing, x plus 4 by 2, and this equals to ln of 2. If we simplify this, then I will get x plus 4 by 2 equals to, no, not x plus 4 by 2.
So 2 will go up. 2 into x
Yeah,
plus
yeah.
4.
So 2 into x plus 4 by 2, that is ln. And then ln of 2.
Yes. Then 2
Then,
into x plus 4 is equal to 2.
yeah, then I can remove natural log. So 2 to cancel, same. X plus 4 equals to 1, x equals to minus 3. Okay. So here is the correct option here, right? So either way you
Got
can
it.
solve, just apply the properties. Okay, any doubt in this part?
No. There are many ways to solve one map.
Okay. Yeah. The next question. This one is easier. You just need to understand what we have to find out here, right? Okay, just try out. But first, see what we have to find out. What is the ratio of intensity of earthquake in the city A with respect to B? Just read the question carefully. Only 5 responses are there. Just read the question, okay? Nothing in it. Just read the question carefully. So we have given the equation R that will measure the magnitude of earthquake, right? That is ln of I minus ln of I naught, where I is the intensity of an earthquake with respect to the minimum or reference intensity, that is I naught, which is equals to C times I naught, right? Then the reference intensity is the smallest earth movement that can be recorded on seismograph. Okay. If an earthquake in city A recorded of magnitude 8, if an earthquake in city A, right, recorded of a magnitude 8. So I can say R equals to 8 here, right? And intensity of earthquake in city B is the reference intensity. So in city B, it is I naught, right? Then What is the ratio of intensity of an earthquake in city A with respect to B? So simply we have to find out I by I naught, right? A and E. We can simplify this R, right? Ln of I minus ln of I naught, right? Where I equals to 3 times of I naught.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So we can make it R is equal to ln of I over I naught, and we know R is 8, so we can get directly we can get
Using the property ln upon 1 by A.
Yes. Yeah, we have to find a ratio in, yeah. Right, right. Okay, let us discuss. Yeah, you can see here we have given the magnitude of earthquake equation, right? That is R. So here, then in a city, if an earthquake in city A is recorded of magnitude 8, so it means R equals to 8 here, right? And what we have to find out the ratio of intensity of earthquake in city A, that is I, with respect to city B. So with respect to city B means, yeah, so Richter scale and intensity of earthquake in city B is the reference intensity. So that is I naught. So simply we have to find out the ratio of I upon I naught, right? Now we have the equation R equals to ln of I minus ln of I naught. So I can apply that property, right? Ln of I by I naught, which is equals to 8, right? Now it is natural log, right? E to the base E. So I can write it as e to the power 8 equals to I by I naught. So correct option will be C. E to the power 8 is 2 1, right? Okay.
Yes.
Any doubt?
Got it.
Yeah, yeah. Simpler question, just you have to find out what is the requirement. Yeah. So next question. This is also simpler thing. Just go to the question and put the values and simplify it, right? So here we have given the number of bacteria present in a loaf of rotten bread after t minutes, right? We have the equation g of t equals to g naught 3 to the power kt. Okay, so g naught represents the number of bacteria at t equals to 0, where k is a constant. The initial number of bacteria is 1000. So initial number of bacteria is 1000. Means g naught equals to 1000, and it takes 1 minute to increase it to 9000. And how long in minutes it will take to? Okay, so we have to find out t here, right? When the bacteria count will be 7,30,000. So what is the unknown here? K is unknown, right? So first we have to find out k, and you can simply put at 7,30,000, and then you will get the value of t. Just try it out.
Sir, in the equation, G naught is the 1000.
Yes, initial number of bacteria is 1000.
Okay.
So g naught equals to 1000. Yeah. CCB3. Okay, I got the 9 responses. I wait for 1 more minute. Okay, most of you have answered the option C. A is also there, B is also there. Okay. Okay, let's discuss. most of you. Yeah, so just tell me how to approach this question.
G is given, G0 is given, G is given as 9,000 first. G0 is 1,000.
Yeah, so G is 9,000, right?
Right.
Initial number G0 is 1,000. And it takes 1 minute. So T equals to 1.
T equals to 1. So the
K-
first equation in 9,000 equal to 1,000 into 3 to the power k.
Into 1, right? It is in minute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then the next equation is 73 something, lots of zeros. 730,000
Hmm.
is equal to 1,000 into
Hmm.
t to the power kt. Now I replace t to the power k in that position.
You replace to the power k.
Why not find the equation from k value?
K is 2. We find a
Yeah.
K.
Yeah.
T to the power k is equal to 9,000 by 1,000.
Okay, we can find the K
Then
directly by taking log.
9,000. Yeah, I'm just doing that way. So to the power t,
Mhm.
9 to the power t.
Yeah, so
I
from
don't know
this
to
what we
right or
will
wrong.
get? T to the power k equals to 9, right?
Yes.
Where k equals to 2. Right?
I do it like complicated things.
Yeah, you can same thing. You can apply direct also, right? So now
Yeah.
here what I will get? 3 0 cancel, 3 0 cancel.
So 730 is
730,
equal to
3 to the
9
power 2
t.
into t. So we have to
9
find
t.
out t. Yeah, equals to 9t.
Yes,
9
I
to the
did.
power t.
9 to the power t. Sorry, 9 to the power t.
Yeah. But then how we
Then
find
I
the t
take
here?
log. Then I take log ln on both sides.
ln of 730 equals to ln of 9t.
T ln 9.
Yeah. So do we have the value of ln 9 here? We are given the value of ln of 3, right?
Yes. When we put the value over there, 730 is
ln of
given and
3
ln 3 is also
square
given.
into t, right?
Yes.
So I can put twice t here. So ln
Yeah.
of 736.59 equals to 2 times of t
2
into
into
ln of
1.09.
yeah. To simplify this for t, you will get
So t equal to 6.59 by 2 into 1.09.
yeah. So what is the answer?
3.022 or something nearby 3.
Yeah. Okay. Any doubt in this problem? We
No.
just need to understand what we have to find out, right? Yeah. So like in most of the simplification problem, like here we are discussing this question. Yeah, most of you are seeing solution also. That's why we know, okay, we have to apply this rule and get to it. But what if in exam we will get some more complex equation to simplify, right?
Okay,
So,
in exam there are more complex equation will come.
yeah, so okay, if you know which properties to apply, you can apply directly, or just note one thing, like you can make the basis of all the logs same. So it is 2, you can make the 2, or you can simply apply the log base change property and make it convert it to ln, okay, for all the log function. And then this applies these 3 conditions, like 3 properties: ln of mn, ln of m by n, and ln of say ln of
For
x to the base
property.
m. Yeah. So this is ln only, right? Yeah. So if you simplify this if you make the basis of all the logs same, then you can use these 3 properties only, right? It will be easier.
Sir,
But
whenever there is a zero in the equations, I find difficult to convert into log. How to convert into log wherever in the equations like this, they put 0 means I want to convert it into log function. How to convert 0 into log?
0 into log.
Yeah. 0 means 0. I want to replace 0 with some log function or log of 0. How to do that?
Log of 0, log of 1 is basically 0, right?
Yes,
Okay.
log 1 is
Log to the any base of 1 equals
Okay.
to 0. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
And 1 means okay, wait, I will write it here. If you want to replace 1, then log of a to the base a means it should have the same number and the same base. It is equals to 1. Yeah. So these two things you can apply. Okay, so last question. There are two, three more questions are there in the practice. You can ask the doubt, but we'll take this question. What happened? Okay, good. So yeah, you can go to the next question and try to solve it. Okay. It is also simple one. Just apply what we have to do, like what we have to find out. And just a simplification is there. That's it. Okay, so most of you answered D. Like simple is there. We have given the equation like where let C and C be the luminous efficiency of the bulb A and B respectively. The bulb A is f of x times brighter than the bulb B. Okay. So C of A equals to f of x into CB. What is f of x here? This right expression. And x is the difference of magnitude of supply voltage between the bulb A and the bulb B. Okay. Then if the bulb A is 10 times brighter, basically f of x equals to 10 and a difference of magnitude of supply voltage between the two bulbs. So here the difference of magnitude is x. So simply we have to find out the value of x here by equating it to 10. Okay. So just simplification is there, nothing in it. See here, like f of x, if a bulb A is 10 times brighter than bulb B, that is C of A equals to 10 times of C of B. But this 10 is f of x here, right? So I can say f of x equals to 10. So that is 3x square plus 1 equal to 10. Okay. Now
Yes,
what we
sir.
have to do in this case?
Take the logs on both sides.
Yeah, taking log on both the side. So I will get ln 3 x square plus 1.
To log 10 is equal to log 10.
Yeah, ln of 10. So x square plus 1 will come this side, right?
Yes.
X square plus 1
10
to log
ln
3
of 3
equal to
ln
log
of
2.
10. Then it is into, right? So x square plus 1 equals to ln of 10 upon ln of 3.
3. Yeah.
Yeah.
So minus 1 will go this side and it will become root of x.
Right. So x square equals to ln of 10 upon ln of 3 minus 1. Right. So the option
Root.
we have given, yeah, root is there.
Yeah. So
10
answer is D actually. We have to
answer
make
is
the answer
okay,
is
okay.
we have to
We
do
can,
the LCM.
yeah, we can simplify this, yeah, by
Yes,
taking
yes.
LCM. ln of 10 minus ln of 3
3,
upon ln of 3.
3. Yeah.
Right. So I can
Then
write it as ln of 10
10 by
3
3.
upon ln of 3.
3.
So again, by reverse base changing property, it will be a log of 10 by 3 to the base 3, and the square is there. That's why square root, right?
Yeah.
Option D will be there. Yeah. You have to see the option also in such case, right? Because
One
any other,
question.
yes.
ln of 10 by 3 by ln of 3. Okay. These things, then what the things happening? How you get that thing?
This thing, right?
Yes.
By applying the reverse block base changing property, right? So what is base changing property? If log of b to the base a, we can write it as log of b to the base c upon log of a to the base c, right? And here
Yes.
ln of e means to the e, right?
Yes.
You can simply I can apply this property here. Like log of 10 to 10 by 3 to the base 3, right?
So what happened when we multiply both sides on the log 3, sir? Log base 3 in equations of first figure. 3 power x square plus 1 equal to 10.
Here.
No, sir. Right side, sir. Left side, sir. Yes, sir.
Multiply by?
Log power base 3, sir. Both sides, taking the log power.
Okay, log to the base 3.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So in that case, what will happen?
So the property will not use the, sir, log base 3 power this.
Yeah, we can do that. See, if you consider log to the base 3 and here also log to the base 3, right?
Yes, sir.
And this will go down. That is x
Yes.
square plus 1. But log of 3 to the base 3 will be 1, right?
Yes, sir.
And here log of 3 to the base 10.
10.
Okay. Then this is 1.
Yes,
Minus
sir.
1 will go on this side.
Yes, sir.
So
Use
log,
the property. Multiply.
Again, you will get the same answer.
Same answer, no?
Yes, sir.
Log
Yes,
of
sir.
10 to the base 3 minus 1. So if you take under root, it will be the answer, right?
Yes, sir.
But to simplify this, we can write this 1 as log of 3 by 3. Right? Can we write?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, we can write, right? And then apply those again property log of m by n. So we'll again get that thing only, log 10 by 3 to the base 3, right? This option.
Yes, sir.
If we put 1 equals to log of 3 to the base 3. Okay, any doubt in this problem? Okay, any other doubt, any other practice question? Just go through
Okay,
it.
now I solve it. I was stuck on that position. Okay, thank you.
Which question? This
No,
one.
that question. Ln by 10 by 3 and ln by ln 3. That I was not able to solve after that. That's fine.
Okay.
Sir, which property to use when ask the question of inverse of log? I mean, ln inverse. What is the property out of 10 property which is directly useful for the finding the inverse of the log?
Inverse of log basically exponential function, right? Inverse you mean like this one, right? Inverse of the logarithm function is exponential function only, right?
Okay.
Yeah. See, log of 2 to the base a minus 1, log of 2 to the base a minus 1. These two things are different, right? In this case, minus will come on the left, come down, right? But here it will not happen because it is whole log of whole power of minus 1, right? Whole logarithm function.
Okay.
These two cases are not equal.
Okay.
Yeah.
The first one is the inverse, you meant to say.
Not inverse.
Okay.
Here you cannot apply this property.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, can I ask one activity question? A simple calculation, maybe I'm not able to solve.
Okay, which question?
Just a second. Activity 6.4, question number 3.
Okay, yes. You have to find out the number of solution.
Yeah. The calculation part somewhere I'm not able to do that.
Okay. Just tell me. So how did you approach this?
I did that first m by n solution. Log a minus log n equal to m by n
Upon x
x
minus 1.
minus
This
1.
right?
Yeah. Is equal to 1.
Equals to 1.
1.
Okay. Then
Then I'm stuck. How do log 1 equal to, we can say that ln e of e. I'm confused in this stage. I'm not able to do it. How to calculate?
okay, so number of solutions, right? So basically we have to find out the equation here. So how will we do that? X square. I can write this ln x by 2 ka whole square, right?
Yes.
Then what if I bring it down?
2 in front, 2 ln x by 2.
Yeah. And now I can simplify this. Minus 1 x square for x minus 1 equals to 1, right?
Yes.
Now if we take it will become e to the power 1. So like x square by 4 x minus 1 e to the power 1, because it is e here, right? That is natural law.
Yes, natural law.
Yeah. So if I can simplify this, x square equals to e 4x minus 4. So x square equals to 4e x minus 4e. right? So
Yes.
x square minus 4ex plus 4e equals to 0. So how many roots are there?
Okay. 2 roots.
Yeah,
At least 2 real roots.
yeah, 2 real roots. Like how we can say that either it is positive, both are positive, both are negative, or one positive, one negative.
Yeah.
Calculate the determinant b square minus 4ac.
Sorry.
If we calculate b square minus 4ac, then
Then we'll be able to know the type of roots, nature of roots.
Okay, b square, b is here
4e minus 4e.
4e square, then 4 times of 1
4 into
into
4e.
e. That is 16e square minus 16e. This is basically a constant only, right? Number. It is positive, right?
Yeah, square is greater than e.
Yeah. So here, see, here you can see it is positive and it is negative. There are two roots such that I will get the product positive and their summation negative. It is possible only when both the roots are negative, right? If both the roots are negative, then I will get the say multiplication is positive and summation is negative. So the root will be positive here. If two numbers are negative, say a and b, the multiplication will be ab, that is positive, and the summation will be minus of a plus b, right? So the root will be x plus x equals to a and x equals to b. So I am getting two positive root here, right?
Yes.
So the solution will be 2. Is it 2? Let me check.
Oh, we don't have to solve this thing. Just guess the root and.
How many number of solutions it is us, right? We have
Yes.
to find out. Let me
Got
check
it.
the option also.
2.
Yeah, 2 is there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got it. Thank you.
Activity 6.7, sir. Question number 2nd and 3rd.
6.7. Okay. Yes. Tell me.
Yes, the second number, sir. I do not solve this question, sir.
The function f of x log of 10, okay, it's the greatest integer lesser than d is the subset of r, it's the point of simplifying. Okay. Anyone solve this question?
No, sir. I solved the third one, second one.
Yeah, tell me like how will you approach that? What do you understand from this question? This thing.
So first of all, we don't understand the greater integer and less. What are this, sir?
Greatest integer less or equal to x.
It's a function, sir, or any graph?
No, it is a integer only, number only. Yes.
It is called greatest integer function. It is basically it takes all integer value of x, which is just smaller or equal to x. That means if x is 2.3, so the greatest integer function of x would be 2.
Now this condition, right?
Yeah, so the greatest value is 2. So the value of bracket x bracket would be
positive only.
Yeah. So x minus this is always positive and it always lies between 0 and 1.
It will lie between 0 and 1 if this is less than 2. Okay, yeah. Then the subset of R, right? But D can take any number, right? X. it should be less than or equal to x.
Yes, D can
Yeah.
take any values, but except values where
It is equal.
x is a integer.
Where x is the integer means?
Whenever x will become an integer, the value of bracket
It
x
is
will also
equal
be
to, right?
integer, so it will become 0, so which is not
Zero.
defined. So
Yeah.
for all integers, for all numbers except integers.
Yeah. So the set of D will be infinite here, right?
Yes, sir.
And cardinality will be also infinite then.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then the graph of f of x have infinite number of vertical
It
asymptotes.
will have multiple because the value of x minus bracket x will go from 0 to 1, then again from 0 to 1, then again from 0 to 1. So it will be like sections of log repeating.
I didn't get that point.
Using the graph, sir. How?
No, here we are simply saying that this x will be the less than or equal to this value of x. So the output will be always lie in 0 to 1, right? Of
Yes,
this
sir.
function. Yeah. So even if we like for all the numbers, there will be infinite number of vertical asymptotes if we change the number, right? Graph of xn will be infinite. Number of vertical asymptotes. Yes, this will be correct, right? Is it an invertible
Can you
function?
explain that thing once more, sir?
No, sir, it won't be an invertible.
Yeah, because it is not defined at number, right?
Also, because it will fail the horizontal line test.
Yeah, it will fail the horizontal line test. And range of function is that is not correct, right?
Yeah, it is only from negative infinity to 0.
Negative infinity? Okay,
Yeah.
range. Yeah, range. Yeah.
Sir, can you explain the third point, please?
Yeah, see, if we consider this number is 2, right, it will be always less than, it will be 0 to 1. So for different set of values, there will be, see, there are different numbers in the set, right, infinite number of set. For each value, there will be vertical asymptotes, right? So we can say the graph of f of x can have infinite number of asymptotes.
And each 1, 2, 3, for every number, they have vertical
One
asymptote.
asymptote, yeah. It will get repeated again, right, for each number. Can we plot the graph this on the destinies?
So we can also see, since the value ranges from 0 to 1, even if we take a normal log graph at x is equal to 0, we will have an vertical asymptote.
Yeah.
And this value of 0 will be approached multiple times whenever.
Multiple times, yeah.
Yeah. So therefore, it will have infinite number of vertical asymptotes.
Yeah. Range is not an R. So this is not a case. It is not an invertible. Okay. So yeah.
So how we can check the invertible function of D on D, sir?
Graph must be continuous, right? For invertible.
Okay.
Is it correct?
Yeah, it is not invertible.
Yeah, it is not an invertible function because it is not a continuous function, right?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
also, yeah, because it fails the horizontal line test, because for one value of y, there are multiple x.
Multiple x, yeah. Okay, so in the text third question, what we have to find out? Value of x and y. Okay, simply you have to just simplify this, right?
Yes,
We
sir.
use.
How will you simplify? Just tell me.
I did the base change for formula.
Ln of 2 upon ln of x
Plus ln of 8 upon ln of y is equal to 0. Yeah, then we simplify this thing. And we take ln 2 common because 8 is 2 cube. So we can take common of ln 2 also.
I can write it as 2 times of ln, right?
3 times of ln 2.
Times of ln,
Yes, sir.
ln of y equals to 0.
Yeah. Then we can take ln2 common and we simplify this thing.
ln2 common we can also take, and we can also do like
ln x y.
minus of 3 of ln of 2 upon ln of y, right? I can take this on the right hand side, it will become minus, right?
Yes, it will be
It will
easier
get
then.
cancelled.
Mm.
Then what will happen?
ln x plus 3 and y.
So it will be like 1 equals to minus 3 of ln of x upon ln of y, right?
Mm.
Minus 3. Okay, then is it correct? No,
Yes,
we are
we can take
I have
ln by
something else. ln x.
we can take ln y is equal to minus 3 ln x, and then we will get y is equal to x to power minus 3.
I got ln y plus 3 ln x is equal to
yes, tell me.
ln y plus 3 ln x
ln y
plus 3 ln x.
ln x. That thing we can do. 3 will go this side. ln y x cube equals to 0, right?
Yes, then x cube y equal to 0. 1.
E to the power 0,
Yes.
that is 1, right?
Yes, yes.
So
That like that.
fourth option is there. X cube
X cube y equal to 1.
Yeah.
Sir, can you explain first line ln2 by ln x?
First line, this one.
Yes. And
Yeah, we are simply applying the base changing property here, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so log of, this is natural log. So we are changing this base to e, right? Natural log. So log of 2 upon ln of x, same thing is applying here, plus ln of 8 upon ln of y equals to 0. Now what we are doing, we are just writing it ln of 8 as ln of 2 cube, right?
Okay.
Now by power property, I can bring 3 days down here. I have bring 3 down, 3 times ln of 2, right? Now I'm taking this whole thing on the right hand side will become minus. I'm just simplifying it, and then by
basically one question, ln x we basically divided by ln of x and ln of y.
Sorry.
Okay. Yeah, ln2 by ln of x, just ln of n x, how it comes.
Like this side we're talking about.
No, ln x, how ln x comes. Just tell me.
From this to this.
No, here you are simplifying through base property. Actually, I have forgot the change the base change property. ln2 by ln of x. ln of x, how ln of x comes? In denominator part. Denominator part. ln of x.
It's ln of x, no? Because we are.
Hello.
Yes,
Sir,
what is the question?
Am I audible?
Yes.
Just one doubt there. Right hand side, why we are not taking the log? Like left hand side, we are taking ln. Why we are not taking right hand side ln?
Where? In which state?
Yeah. See, in the first in the equation, left hand side we are taking the ln. Then why we are not taking ln in the right hand side?
No. We are applying the base changing property here, right? We are not taking ln on both the side.
Okay.
We're just applying the base.
We are not taking the
log on both the sides.
Okay. Right, got it. Okay.
Yeah. So previously someone was asking any doubt. I'm not able to get that. Log of x in the denominator, right?
So basically, ln of 2 by ln of x, it comes through changing base property.
Yes, right.
Okay.
Yes. So
okay, got it.
We're applying base changing property to this and this, right? Both the cases. So then we're adding up, we're simplifying it. So can we do in a different way also, like here? Yes, anyone? Any other thing? Any other way to do that?
Sir, one more doubt on the second last line.
1 by log x by 2.
Second last line, we are saying ln y x cube is equal to 0. Then how we are coming to x cube y is equal to 1?
Yeah. So here ln means natural log, right? That is to the base e. So
Right.
x cube into y equals to e to the power 0. We are just taking this basis to the e by this property, like log of b to the base a equals to m, and it will become b equals to a to the power m, right? So here a is our e and m is 0, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So e to the power 0 is 1, right?
Okay, got it.
So we can also say that 0 equal to ln 1. Then also we can equate both sides.
Yeah, we can also write ln of e, so ln of 1 to the base e. Then we can also equate that here.
And so you are saying that another one, is it possible that 1 by log x base 2 plus 1 by log y base 8?
1 by
1 by log x base 2.
1 by log x to the base 2.
So you're saying that there is a property we can do that.
We can do that, yeah.
Then plus the
1 by
log of 8 base 2 to the power cube base is equal to 0. Now 2 to the power cube. So 1/3 we can come outside.
Okay, log of 2 to the power x plus here
1/3
ln 2 cube y. Then by applying outside, 1 by 3 will come this side, right?
Yes.
So 1 by log x to the base 2
plus
plus
1 by
log
3 ln.
So 1 by 3 will come this side, so 3 will go in the numerator, right?
Yes.
So 3 ln of log of y to the base 2, right?
Yeah,
equals to 1, sorry, equals to 0.
0.
Then what we have to do?
Then cross multiplication, like 3 log 2y. I don't know, this thing happens.
Then we go by option. We can check by putting the options only.
Yeah, we can go to the option also, but this option is also correct, right? So
yes,
how I will get this option? Yes, anyone?
Sir, we can
substitute
x and y value in this equation.
1 by 1.
Yes, miss. Your voice is breaking.
Sir, we can substitute x and y value in x cube y equal to 1, and we can check.
We can check that part, right?
Yes,
but
sir.
we need to simplify that out first, right? Okay. So from here I can write, okay, so from this equation, can I write like this, like ln of 2 upon ln of x equal to 2 minus ln of 8 upon ln of y, right? Then ln of 2 upon ln of 8 minus of ln of x upon ln of y.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So either x will be 1 by 2 or y will be 8, or x will be 2 and y will be 1 by 8. This will also satisfy this condition, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So it can be x equals to 1 by 2 or y equals to 8 also. It is not like that here we are equating means x equals to 2 and y equals to 8. Not like that. Okay. We are just simply putting this, because it will be, if you want to equate, we have to multiply by some number, right? Both the side. Okay, any doubt in this part? Any other thing?
Sir, can I ask another question? Activity?
Yes.
6.6 question 2.
Okay.
Activity question to find the number of solution.
6.6%. Okay. Yeah. So again, we have to simplify this, right? Like just now we have solved one example.
Okay.
So how are we going to simplify this, right?
Making the base same, sir.
Yeah. So log x cube minus 1 to the power 3, right? I can write it as to the
Okay.
power 3
Okay. Okay. Mm.
equals to log 2x minus 1. So I can bring this 3 like 1 by 3 log of 2 x cube minus 1 equals to log of 2x minus 1.
Yes, sir. Then 1 by 3 in the power.
1 by 3 in the power x cube minus 1 by 3 log of 2x minus 1. Right, so I can say x cube minus 1 to the power 1 by 3 equals to x minus 1, right? Because the base is same, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So just taking the cube of this, so x cube minus 1 equals to x minus 1 ka whole cube. Now just simplify it. So what we will get? Do we need to simplify this?
Yes, sir. Because they're asking a number of solution.
Mm-hmm.
So how many values for x we need to find out? I think x that x cube minus 1 cube, that formula will come into picture.
Minus x minus 1 ka cube equals to 0. So I can consider this as 1 cube also, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So x minus 1, x square plus x plus 1.
Yes, sir.
Now what is the formula for this?
X cube.
No, wait.
So we can open it as x minus 1 into x square
X
minus
minus 1
2x.
s square.
Yeah.
If I take this common, because it's whole bracket, like I can take x minus 1 common from this side, right? X
Yes.
minus 1, then x square plus x plus 1, then minus of x minus 1 ka square
Okay.
equals to 0. Then this is also thing, like here I can equate like x minus 1 equals to 0, or this bracket is equals to 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Right.
So when I will just expand this. So x, I will expand it here only. So x square plus x plus 1 minus x square minus 2x plus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, equals to 0. So now bracket open, x square plus x plus 1 minus x square plus 2x minus 1. Then
X
this
square
plus
cancel.
1, this
3x
plus
is equal to
cancel.
0.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 3x equals to 0. X equals to 0.
Yes.
Right. So either x equals to 0 or x equals to 1. So if I put x equals to 0, but there should be 3 roots, right? Not 3 roots. Yeah.
Yes, I think that's the cubic function. So
Sir, but if we put
Log.
x equal to 0, the log function become negative.
Yeah. I'm
Yeah.
just looking at that. If we put x equal to 1 here,
It is not a solution, sir.
0. And if we put x equal to 0, then this will become negative, right? This is not
Yes,
allowed.
sir.
So solution will be 0, right? 0 is the answer.
So it means there is no solution.
Yeah.
There is no solution for this. The number of solutions are 0.
Activity 3, sir. Question number 2.
I think most of the activity question I discussed in yesterday's session. You can watch that session also.
No, sir.
Because
This
my-
question is not discussed, sir.
Okay. Because my different, my
Okay, sir. Thank
approach
you,
can
sir.
be different. Yeah. Which question?
Sir, activity 3, sir. Question number 2. Just finding, sir, one-to-one function. How the approach, sir.
ln of x is 1 to 1, right?
Yes, sir.
So e to the power x minus e to the power minus x. It will be always positive, right? That
So
function
this
is defined. So e to the power x minus, I can write 1 by 2 to the power x, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So that number will always be positive.
Hello.
I have a doubt on
Hello, sir.
practice assignment.
Hello.
Yeah, just 1 minute. Yeah, I will discuss in this question. Who asked this question? Second.
Yes, I am. Hello.
Just tell me now.
Yes, sir.
If ln of x is a one-to-one function,
Yes, sir.
then ln of fx is also one-to-one, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But that should satisfy its domain, right? Its property. Then in that domain only it will be one-to-one, right?
So your voice is low, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you can see is a one-to-one function, whether increasing or decreasing.
So how the approach, sir? How we can find increasing or decreasing?
Okay, just wait. Yeah, the function is given like this, right? ln of e to the power x minus e to the power minus x.
Yes, sir. We take the value of ex.
E to the power x upon e to the power x. So this number
Yes,
will
sir.
always be greater than 1, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It will be always positive.
Yes, sir.
So now if you see the graph of ln of x, whether it's increasing or decreasing function, ln of x.
Okay, sir.
If we go from left to right,
It's increasing, sir.
yeah. So can I say that if I replace x by f of x, so it will be increasing function or no? It will be one-to-one function, right? If ln of x 1-to-1. But for that we need to plot the graph here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You can plot the graph and you can see it will be increasing function.
Yes.
You go from left to right. You can plot this graph on Desmos also. Yeah. Any other doubt?
No, sir.
Hello. I'm audible, right?
Sir,
Yes, sir. Yes.
I have a question in practice assignment. Can I say that?
Yes. Which question number?
Telling the practice assignment 5 and 6.
I don't have the practice. Okay, but I'll just open the solution. Which question? We have discussed this, right?
5.
3, 4.
In my solution, I'm not able to find that 5 and 6 answers.
This thing we have discussed, no?
No. They are not that question, sir. 5. The question is that which of the following is true? If m and n are positive real numbers, then m to the power log n equal to n to the power log m.
Okay.
In solution, I'm not able to find that answer.
Solution document, which question number can you tell me? Okay, this one, last question.
Yeah, okay, 13.
Yeah.
Okay. I thought that the answer is not there. Okay, then I'll go through it. I didn't.
You can go through that. So this last question. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, YouTube link that has happened on June 11th lecture has posted wrong. Can you please look into it? For week 5, solve with us.
Okay, June 11th session, right?
June 11th. As today is the last date for submissions. Can you repost it by today evening so that I can practice
Just I will convey this message to the team.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, I have a question, sir. It might be silly, sir, but actually I'm stuck into that part, sir. So can you solve it, sir?
Which part?
Sir, how to solve, sir, log 5 bracket 3/2, sir?
Okay, just 1 minute. Yes, log of 5.
Yeah, log of 5 bracket 3/2.
3/2. 3/2. Okay.
3 divided
is there
by
any
2.
base?
Yeah, base, sir. It is base, sir.
Base
5
10.
is the base.
Base 5. Base 5.
Okay, base 5. So log of 3/2 to the base 5. Log of 3/2 to the base 5. Right? You can simply apply the log change in property also. No? ln of 3/2 upon ln of 5. You will get the value. Just put in the calculator.
Also, sir, we can use the property ln 3 minus ln 5 minus 2.
Yeah, but for calculating the value, either we should have log to the base 10 at decimal or ln of e, that is natural log, right? For calculating this value, or otherwise we should know the value of this log of 3 to the base 5 or and log of 2 to the base 5, right?
Yes, sir.
But we have the in calculator we can do this, right, by the base 10 and log of e. So
Yes, sir.
if we put simply in the calculator, we can get the value of this.
Okay.
Otherwise, we have to go through the graph for finding out this value. Now to the base 5. And log up to the base 5, yeah. Okay. Okay, thank you then. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.